Hi, I'm Steph Crosley, and welcome to the behind the scenes of my workshop, Naked. The workshop works in parallel to my self-development book, Naked with Confidence. If you ever felt like you wanted to give up, take a step forward.
Here to talk about her book, Naked with Confidence, but she has a workshop attached with it, and so you will have the opportunity at the end of her workshop to purchase her book if you choose to do so, and I'll let her tell you more about this awesome workshop and her book. And without further ado, can we please give her a warm welcome?
Hello everyone, as Ms. Janae mentioned, I'm Stephanie Crosley. Rough patch, I went through 3 months of depression. And I don't know if you guys believe in God, but I believe in God. And I really strongly feel that God will sit you down when you need to be set down. In those 3 months, I really had to come to terms with myself, be 100% honest with myself.
Okay, my name is Terry, and Amaya is funny.
My name is Amaya, and Abe had a heart of gold.
My name's Abe, and Jesse's a great role model.
That's nice.
Jesse Black, and Dane has a great personality.
Just want us all to get a good sense of why we're doing what we're doing. So right now, this popsicle stick represents you. This is you at your vulnerable state. Everybody understand? So I'm going to read off different sentences and phrases, and if it applies to you, I want you to take a piece of tape and wrap it around the popsicle stick, okay? If you've ever worried about something that's out of your control, wrap tape around. If you've ever failed at something, wrap tape around. Oftentimes, we're wrapped in so many different layers that we don't know who we are anymore. The reoccurring theme is stripping away those layers so that we can be our best selves. Discuss the pros of coming from your household, the cons, and how has that shaped you. So, for a two-parent household, you guys are supposed to be set. You have enough love coming in, you have enough financial support coming in, you have no worries. That's what society says. You have no worries. You should be okay. Okay? In your group, I want you guys to start discussing if that's true, discuss it. If that's untrue, then share your story. This is your opportunity to share your story. Understand that, yes, all you guys come from two-parent backgrounds. However, each story is different.
What happened to
Great thing, so I kind of use that now as like a job. Like everybody here in the circle are doing great things, so I can continue to do great things.
Absolutely.
The situations that we've been through to kind of, as motivators, to kind of push forward and do better, and possibly like a lot of us want to help those parents that we feel like we have most of the time, and so that's pushing us to continue to go forward.
Fair for people to make the assumption that our lives are perfect because it kind of means that we don't have room to have fault. I just think it's kind of unfair that the only types of kids who are able to have a reason to behave the way they do is because of their families, their parental situation.
In life, we all experience so many different things that affect us. Some things that hurt us, discourage us, make us second guess our worth, and some things that change us for the better and the worse.
Like that never should be the excuse for why we can't succeed or why we can't keep moving forward. Because if we have like hate or any type of sadness behind whatever we feel or whatever we went through, it's so easy to turn it into motivation to keep pushing because we don't want to be what we seen growing up or the person that raised us or was supposed to love us.
In turn, we store these experiences in our subconscious mind and we wrap ourselves in layers to prevent them from happening again and to keep people from getting too close. Yeah. If you have ever been ashamed to invite someone over to your house, take a step forward. Maybe you didn't have your own room. Maybe you have roaches. Maybe, you don't have your living arrangements. If you have ever had difficulty making friends, take a step forward. If you have ever experienced trauma, take a step forward. If you have ever been diagnosed with a learning disability, take a step forward. If you have ever received government assistance, take a step forward.
Is that like
Yeah. Say your name, stand, free help, that's all government assistance stuff, okay? Things such as mommy and daddy issues, insecurities, anger, past relationships, failures and disappointments, negative self-doubt, all things that affect us and we don't always realize.
I'm talking about like moms can't afford to feed everybody, like, you know what I'm saying, food. That's a struggle. Like, you drink water if you need to, like he was saying, you go to sleep so you don't think about it. It's tough, but like me being the oldest growing up, I just tell moms like, feed the little bros, I'm good. Or y'all eat, you know what I'm saying? Or I'll go out and try to find something, you know what I'm saying? But it make you, especially like when you're the oldest and you single mom and everything, you like the man of the house and you look at that and you can't go, you see your brothers and mom struggling.
And you were the man of the house at what age?
10.
The beauty of the Naked Workshop is it gets so many different people in one room who don't realize they share so many similarities, and it forces them to learn from each other.